In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your TradingView charts by loading and configuring a dark theme for an enhanced visual experience. Let's get started by first ensuring you are logged in and then open up the chart you'd like to stylize. Having your chart ready is crucial as it's going to be our canvas for making these changes. Next, let's dive into the chart settings. You'll want to look for the gear icon prominently placed at the top right corner of the chart. Think of this gear icon as your gateway to customization. It opens up a world of possibilities for adjusting everything from the look to the functionality of your chart. Once you're in the settings window, head over to the Appearance tab. This tab is key as it holds all the settings necessary for tweaking the visual aspects of your chart. It's where you can really let your preferences shine and create an environment that's both pleasing to the eye and optimal for your needs. Now we'll focus on the dark theme, which many find easier on the eyes, especially during long trading sessions. Look for the section dedicated to background color or theme settings. Choose a dark color for your background. This can range from a deep black to a very dark gray, depending on what feels most comfortable for you. This dark background will be the foundation of your theme and will help your chart data stand out clearly. With the background set, let's adjust the candle colors. For bullish candles, opt for a bright green or blue. These colors typically represent upward movement and are instantly recognizable as positive changes. For bearish candles, a bright red or orange is ideal, reflecting downward trends. These contrasting colors help you quickly assess market conditions at a glance. To ensure readability and contrast, it's important to adjust grid lines and text colors. Generally, lighter grays or white work well here, providing clear separation and easy visibility against the dark background. These simple edits can make a significant difference in how quickly and accurately you can read your charts. Once you're happy with the adjustments, it's essential to save your settings. You can do this by clicking OK or Apply. This means your changes will be locked in, ready for immediate use. If you want to go a step further and make this dark theme your go-to setup, click the save icon at the top right. This not only preserves all your visual changes as the default layout, but also spares you from having to redo these steps every time you log in. That covers everything for setting up a dark theme in TradingView. I hope this makes your trading journey a bit more comfortable and visually pleasing. Thanks for watching and happy trading.